Hello again, plant pros, and welcome back to Leaf It to Me. In our last video, we explored the magical process of propagating ZZ plants in water. But what if you're looking for the most reliable, highest success rate methods? Today, we're getting our hands dirty. I'm going to show you the professional methods for propagating in soil and the fastest way to get a full new plant, division. Let's dig in.
First, let's start with a stem cutting in soil. After taking a healthy cutting, here comes the most critical step. You must let it callus. Leave the cutting in a dry, airy spot for 1 or 2 days. Why is this so important? This drying process seals the open wound, creating a protective barrier. Skipping this step is the #1 reason cuttings rot in soil.
Once calloused, plant it in a small pot with a very well-draining soil mix. Why well-draining? To ensure oxygen can reach the new roots and prevent any water from sitting around, which causes rot. Water it once, and then wait for the soil to dry out completely before watering again. The leaf cutting method works beautifully in soil too, and it's perfect if you want to create many new plants at once. Just like with the stem, take your cuttings and let them callus over. Plant each leaf just deep enough to stand upright in a well-draining mix. This method requires the most patience. It can take many months to see a new shoot. Why so slow? Because the leaf has to grow an entire new rhizome from scratch before it can send up a new stem. But the reward is well worth the wait.
All right, now for my favorite part, division. This is the fastest way to get a new plant, and it's super cool because you're basically just helping the plant do what it would naturally do in the wild.
So when you pop a big ZZ out of its pot, it might look like one giant plant, but it's really more like a big, happy family living together. See all these different sections? Honestly, these big clumps are just the original baby pups that have all grown up. This is the plant's main strategy to spread out and make more of itself. So our job is just to give them their own apartments. You can gently break off the small new pups you see on the sides, or if you're feeling brave, you can divide the whole thing into a few bigger chunks. Just make sure every new piece has its own stems, a healthy rhizome, that little potato thing, and some roots. That's the golden rule. Just pot them up in their new homes, give them a good drink of water, and that's it. You've got brand new plants made the exact same way nature does it. How cool is that?
So there you have it, 3 fantastic soil-based methods. Leaf cuttings give you the most plants, but are the slowest. Stem cuttings are a good balance, and division is the fastest way to get a full-size plant. Curious about how these methods compare to propagating in water? Make sure to watch our other video on water propagation, which I've linked in the description for you. Which method is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. For everything else, you know what to do. Just leave it to me.